Eugenia here, and welcome to my Couponify product review. So what is Couponify all about? Couponify is actually a software that will help you to create coupon affiliate websites with no technical knowledge required, and it's actually not gonna take you a lot of time to do so, and by doing so you will be able to earn affiliate commissions, because when people are going to be clicking and looking for coupons, if your coupon is going to show up, they're going to go click on it, and then it's going to redirect people to the website, and you're going to earn the commission because it's going to be your affiliate link. So if this is something you're interested in, please continue watching, and I'll show you the demonstration of the members area. You will see how the product works and how to create these types of websites. Also, we'll take a look at the pricing of the product in Upsells, and then we'll also take a look at the sales page. If at any point during this review you decide that you want to purchase Couponify, please follow in description below. There is a link there, and you can click on this link. It's gonna take you to my bonus page, and from the bonus page right here, you will be able to click on one of these green buttons, and it's going to take you to a sales page, and you will be able to purchase the product from there. But before we actually go to the sales page for the product, let me show you the bonuses that I put together for you, and you're going to receive them if you decide to purchase the product using my link below. So there's going to be 4 bonuses. Bonus number 1 is going to be introduction to affiliate marketing. Since creating this coupon website is going to require you some knowledge of affiliate marketing, this is like a great little video explaining to you how it all works. Bonus number 2 is going to be a blogging and traffic primer. So this little hack is actually going to help you drive traffic to your websites that you create. Bonus number 3 is going to be software business in a box. So this is just a little hack for you explaining how people are making money online with software businesses. And bonus number 4 is going to be 10x commissions. So this is also about affiliate marketing, and it's going to help you increase your commissions that you're making from your sales. And bonus number 5 is going to be all vendor bonuses. Vendor is also going to be providing some bonuses for you, and I'll show them to you a little bit later. So right now, actually, let's go and take a look at the sales page. So this is how the sales page for the product looks like. It says here that it's a brand new software, creates completely automated and done for you coupon affiliate websites, loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds. They also include free hosting, instant approval for some affiliate programs, automatic site creations, and done for you blog content included as well. So you will see here a little sales video. You can take a look at it a little bit later, and right here you can also see features of the product. As you can see, it's a web-based app, so you don't need to install it on your computer or anything like that. You're gonna have 60,000 plus done for you coupons in any niche that you decide to pursue. You're gonna have 30-day money-back guarantee on the product as well. And you can see here there is some other great features and bonuses of the product. If you decide to purchase, click this green button here, and don't forget to use the code right here for a discount as well. So just let's quickly just go and take a look here at the sales page. You can see there is tons of good information right here, and let's see. So this is basically how the website, the finished website looks like, and I'm gonna show you also after the demonstration video the website and how it looks as well. But you can actually go and take a look at the sales page at your own pace, and watch the videos, and see all the information about the product as well there. Right now, actually, let me put on the demonstration video of the product, and then I will also come back and show you the members area, and we will also take a look at the product pricing and upsells as well. So hopefully you enjoyed the demonstration video of the product and you actually understood that it's really simple to create a website, and this software is also going to help you drive traffic to your website, which is also important. Of course, you will also have to do some work to drive traffic by yourself, but with blog and everything that this software is providing for you, they're also going to help you drive traffic to your offers. So as you can see here, this is the members area of the website of the the product, the Couponify. So this is the dashboard. As you saw, it helps you to understand how many coupon sites you have built, and all of these websites are right here, as you saw already in demonstration. You're managing websites right here. Here, if you click Manage Affiliate Settings, so this is where you're going to be inserting your affiliate IDs like Amazon and others. And you're clicking here to get these IDs as well. And this is where you submit them, and then based on these IDs, the coupons are going to be generated with your affiliate links so that you can get the commissions when people are purchasing from your links. So this is a blog campaign here as well. This is manage articles, so you can manage all of your articles on your websites. This is the ads manager as well. So that you can insert ads on your website and make money from them as well. This is subscriber list, because when somebody actually goes to your website, there's a little pop-up window that is going to allow them to subscribe to your website and to newsletters, and it will allow you to collect information so that then you can do like email promotions and other promotions for these people. And this is where all of this information is going to go with the emails and the name of the person to the subscriber list. And there is also some good training right here if you are lost or confused on how to do some stuff on this website right here. So there's how to add affiliate settings to your website, how to create a website, how to add logo and social links to the website, how to add blog to the website, and how to add advertisements to your website as well. So this is actually really valuable in my opinion. You also have here bonuses. Actually, I forgot to tell you about the vendor bonuses, and I'm gonna do it in a second right here. So there's gonna be bonuses right here. You will be able to access vendor bonuses in the members area. You will be able to upgrade your front-end version. If you decide to purchase front-end, you will be able to upgrade to different upsells, and there is support here as well. So bonuses that you're going to be getting from the vendor are going to be the following. There's going to be 3 bonuses. Easy Page Builder app right here, then Traffic Lock app, and Viral Click app as well. So these are the 3 bonuses, and you're going to have access to them right here in the members area. Let me show you the website that was built using this software. So this is one of the websites from the members area right here that we accessed. So as you can see here, there is a search bar menu and people can search for some coupons, but there's also just the coupons on the main page, as you can see here. And so you just click on show code, and this is how you can use these coupons. As you can see, there's the coupons. And if you click right here and let's search for some, like car service. It doesn't want to actually search for me right now, but I checked it before and it was searching. So maybe it's just uploading some information on the website, or something like that. But I tried to search before and it was working. So maybe just some glitch on the website at the moment. So actually right now let's go and take a look at the prices and upsells for the product. The front-end version of the product is going to be $18.50 for you. This is the version that you saw in demonstration in the members area that I showed you. The only disadvantage of the front-end version that it's going to be limited So I believe it's going to be limited right here. It says to 30 site licenses. So it means that you're going to have you will be able to create 30 websites using the front end version. But you can, start with the front end, see if you like it, and then see if you need more websites, and if you want to create more, then you can upgrade to unlimited version right here. This is going to be the first upgrade for $47, and you can see here it's going to be unlimited site license, and also it's going to include commercial rights. Upsell number 2 is going to be advanced for $67, and it's just going to allow you to add some features to your websites, like pop-up features, auto capture email leads, subscribers, live chat and chat box, so this kind of stuff. Upsell number 3 is going to be auto rank for $37, and you can see here you will be able to use auto backlink creator to one-click create thousands of backlinks for your coupon affiliate websites. So this is just going to help you drive traffic to your websites for you to get more sales. And the last upsell is going to be upsell number 4, and it's going to be agency license for $97. So agency kits included, and you will be able to create up to 250 real Couponify accounts for your clients. And like I already mentioned, this product offers for you a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you decide for some reason you don't like it, you can get your money back. But in my opinion, it's actually a great way to earn affiliate commissions and promote the products that you're trying, to promote in any way. And it's actually going to help you get more money, from your online business, and it's going to help you also drive traffic to your website, which will also going to be useful for your commissions. So if this software is something you're interested in, please purchase it through my link below this video. Again, you will be redirected to this bonus page right here. Just click on one of these green buttons. You will be able to go to the sales page and purchase the software from here. And don't forget this discount code as well. Thank you very much for your time. This is it for this review. If you like the review, please give me a like. It really helps my channel. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next